Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to use layers in Pixlr. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Pixlr website right here, pixlr.com if you haven't already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this home page right here where we can get started with logging into our account. So here in the upper right corner, you'll have the login button that you can use for logging into your account, or if you do not already have one, just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by this main page where we can get started with opening up photo editor. So let's go ahead and open up the photo editor by clicking on it right here, and after opening it up, it's going to open up this new menu where we can get started with opening up the image that we want to use for editing. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the image. I already have my image right here, and now after opening up the image, it's going to open up in edit mode, where as you can see at the left side of the screen, we have the toolbar with all the options we can use like arrange, crop, cut out, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started using layers. Basically guys, our layers page is right here at the right side of the screen. If you're not seeing it, then you can minimize that. So you want to go ahead and click this arrow to maximize it so that you can go ahead and see all of your layers right here. And now here is our picture. So we can go ahead and add a new background that we want to use for our layers, and we can click the plus button to add a new layer. So we can add an empty layer, or we can add a new image that we want to use as a layer to combine multiple images. We can add a frame, text, shape, and so on. So after adding your layer, it's going to appear right here, and now you can get started with playing around with it. You can go ahead and mess up the images, you can add effects, you can combine those images, and so on, and get started with layering them. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.